So this is an update on Oreo for HTC 10. So I'm just recording the video for that. So basically, what is going on here is like I got an Oreo update today morning, and it just got successfully updated just now. And yeah, currently I'm in Oreo version. So the changes I see is to the menu settings, and the entire icon has been changed. Now it normally in a box shape, but right now it's kind of a oval shaped box. You can see that over on the phone button over here right now. You can see the WhatsApp and the camera icon and other stuff. It has changed a bit, but the functionality of that is gonna be very much same. Now first I want to show you the real differences. Like you can pull down the notification from anywhere and you're gonna get the notification over here. You can pull down again, you get the expanded notification. And now previously the settings was on the top near the percentage of the battery life, but now it is in the bottom near the the fab. I'm not really liking it, but then it's fine. So you can just see the settings over here. Like these are the settings, and there are a few settings. And no, there's nothing new here as well. It's the same settings which is available always. So the edit button to customize your settings, and this is to reset it. So basically not much of change, but I see a little bit of change on the brightness scale because the minimum brightness and maximum brightness is too bright. So I'm really happy about it, that there's some nice change came along. And when you hold any settings, you will go to that particular stuff, but that's already there, so there's nothing new. And yeah, pretty much these are the new options in the drop down. And other than that, I don't see any other changes over here. The settings goes to settings over here, and then when you pull up, you will see the app drawer. So just like you can see the slow motion over here where the app drawing comes in, just click on that and to search, and then you type in for searching. And that's the same functionality, the same wallpaper and stuff like that. So everything, everything at this point is the same. Very much. So the wallpaper is always there. So I have a HTC account, but I don't want to log in right now. Okay, so these are the minimum changes which you found in the screen, and the updates are like the same. There's not much update to the highlights. On the right side, nothing else. Is the normal method of putting it. I see something like this. Oh, what's this? Oh, you see this on this over here? Let me just check this one out. So edit pages. Oh, you look at this one on the bottom. You see that it says like it's a highlight. So probably that's why it has given a different icon as such. So probably that's the reason. And the notifications are a little different over here. The notification, whenever happens, there is a dot comes right on the corner of each of these icons saying that there is a small notification to it. Like there's an update to it. Just press on that, so you'll get a notification for that. And yeah, pretty much you can hold these icons and you can do a lot of simple things right now. I can hold those icons, like hold this icon. This doesn't have any information, but when you hold the calendar icon, you can see that you can create a new reminder, new event. If you hold the calculator, let's see what happens. No app information. So if I hold the Gmail icon, I can compose a new email. If I hold the map icon, I can go to work or home directly. If I hold Google, let's see what happens. Voice search. Wow, that's nice. These are some new things. Now I'm holding the home button, and I'm able to see the Google assistants coming over here, and it's kind of guessing whatever I'm saying incorrectly sometimes, and sometimes it makes it really nice. So thanks. We can stop googling now. All right. So this is pretty much the front screen and how this is working. I will update this video if I find anything new, but this looks really nice to me. It's a kind of an added thing for me. It's quite nice and smooth as of now. Let me just monitor it for some more time, and then basically we'll understand it how this works better. So pretty much the battery outlook has been changed. You can see that over here. I can turn on power saver, turn on extreme power saver, which is very good for HTC, which can get us to the mode where only we can make a call or a text message and nothing else. So battery percentage should get me automatic brightness, and then basically the application which uses the more battery. So so when I click on the battery icon, I go to the diagram where it says like I have 1 hour, 23, 38 minutes left for something. I don't know. Yeah, so basically this is the advanced battery structure. So you can go to optimization also, and you will get all the applications which is not optimized, the application which is optimized. So basically that varies. And when I go over to settings again, I go to the update, and I have this software update, and cancel. So you can just check the update. I've checked it, but there is no other update after this. So system information Oreo is over here. It's 8.0.0. Just hold this. Yeah, there you go. So you just play with this octopus as much as you want, and as much as you get bored with this octopus. Go down, go up. Okay, I'm done with this. So just go back. Um, these are some of the new features which I really enjoy about the battery, especially because HTC 10 has a good battery life, but not the best in the market. So, I'm just looking forward to extend a couple of more hours with this HTC 10, because half a day usage of full usage of mobile, only by like 5 hours, it just goes down very dramatically. So, I just want to have a good battery life. That's my major concern in terms of HTC. But other than that, performance is blazing fast, man. I mean, it doesn't matter like 1 year or 2 years this phone is. I'm gonna get the same performance from the day one. So that's something I really like about HTC, and that's why I go back to them again and again. And the software update is really good. So yeah, probably this year I might need to change the HTC phone.